Okay, let's move to the question number 2. The diagram shows the triangle ABC with AB is equals to 12 centimeter and AC is equals to 9 centimeter, and we have the angle CAB which is 0.8 radians. AC, AB and angle between AC and AB is 0.8 radians. The arc with the center A and the radius 9 centimeter is drawn inside the triangle as shown. If we call this point O, so OC is the arc with radius 9 centimeter. The shaded region is bounded by the arc, the line segment BC and the part of the line segment EC. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. We have the AB which is 12 centimeter, and this AB is equals to AO plus OB, where AO is the radius, so AO is 9 centimeter. So this one is 12 centimeter, so 9 centimeter plus OB is equals to 12 centimeter, so OB is equals to 3 centimeter. So OB is 3 centimeter and AO is 9 centimeter. Okay, and AO and AC is the radius. So AO and AC is the radius. We need to find the perimeter of the shaded region, and the perimeter of the shaded region is equals to OCB or OBC. So perimeter of shaded region is equals to OBC, which is equals to OB plus BC plus OC, where OB is a part of line AB we just calculated, which is 3 centimeter. OC is the arc length, and BC is the side of the triangle. Okay, to find the perimeter we need the OC and BC. So OC is the arc length, so first we find OC, which is arc length, and we know that arc length is equal to r theta, and in this case radius is 9, this one is radius, and theta is 0.8, so 9 times 0.8, and this one is equal to 7.2 centimeter. To find the side BC we will use cosine law, so BC can be calculated using cosine law, because angle opposite to the side BC is given, which is 0.8. So BC square is equals to the sum of the square of the other side, which is AC square and AB square, minus 2 times other side, which is AC and AB, and cos of the angle between AB and AC, which is angle of CAB. So we need to find the BC. So BC square is equals to AC square, means 9 square, plus AB, which is 12, so 12 square, minus 2 times AC 9, BC is 12, and cos of the angle between AB and AC, which is 0.8. So this one is equals to the 9 square is 81, plus 12 square is 144, minus 2 times 9 times 12 is equals to 216, and cos of 0.8 radian is 0.6967. So BC square is 81 plus 144 is 225, minus 216 times 0.6967 is 150.49. So BC is equals to the 74.5. Square root both sides, so we will have BC, which is equals to 8.63 centimeter. So we have OC, which was 7.2 centimeter. We have BC, which is 8.63, and we have already OB, which is 3 centimeter. So we can find the perimeter. So perimeter is OB plus BC plus OC, and OB is 3 centimeter, BC is 8.63 centimeter, and OC is 7.2 centimeter, and this one is equals to the 18.83 centimeter. So perimeter in three significant figure is 18.8, because we need to find the perimeter in three significant figure. Part B, find the area of the shaded region. Give your answer correct to three significant figure. We need to find the area of the shaded region, and we know that we have the triangle which have a sector. So area of the sector is OAC, and area of the triangle is ABC. So we can find area of the shaded region, which is OBC, by subtracting area of the sector from the area of the triangle. So area of shaded region is equals to area of the triangle ABC minus sector area, which is AOC. For area of the triangle, we know that if we have the triangle ABC, so if we have the two side and angle between them, two side means AB and AC, and the angle between them, so we can use this formula, which is AB 1 over 2 AB times AC, and the angle between them, so sine of angle between them, which is sine of CAB. This is the area of the triangle, so we can use this formula in this case, because we have the value of AB and we have already the value of AC, and we have also the information of angle between them. So 1 over 2 AC and AB and angle between them. Sine of angle between them, which is angle of CAB, minus area of the sector. We know that area of the sector is equal to the r square radius square times theta, r square theta, and in this case radius is r, which is 9 centimeter, and theta is the angle of the sector, which is CAB. So half AC is 9 times AB, which is 12, and sine of angle between AB and AC, which is 0.8. So sine of 0.8 minus, it should be half of the radius square theta. So half of the radius square means 9 square, and theta is 0.8. So this one will be equal to 6, and this one is equal to 0.4. So we will have 9 times 6 is 54. Sine of 0.8 is equals to the 0.7174 minus 9 squared is 81 times 0.4. So 54 times 0.7174 is equals to the 38.74 minus 81 times 0.4 is 32.4. So this one is equals to the 6.34, and this one is already in three significant figure. So this is the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region in three significant figure.